Hi everybody, it's February at Tiger Lily. It's February everywhere, but it's definitely February here too. And I'm here to explain to you about the next block, our February block from the Quilt Builders card deck block of the month. So you're going to go into your wonderful little box of goodies, and there's so many of them in there. We're only going to use 13, and then you can go ahead and make the rest of them. Anyway, from that box you're going to grab Washington Sidewalk, which is this one right here, which is this one right here. If you break this down, which is always a good way to do it when you're looking at somebody else's quilt or a quilt hanging in a quilt shop and you're curious about how that block was made, just try to break it down into the pieces that you recognize. So, if you notice this is just a 9-patch, this center piece. So that's the part you're going to make first. So you're going to cut the squares as directed on the card for a 12-inch block, and then you're going to sew together these three, and sew together these three, and sew together these three, and then sew those 3 strips of 3 together, and there's your 9-patch. Okay? So here's how it looks on here. So here's your little 9-patch. Okay? Then you're going to sew this side onto the 9-patch and this side onto the 9-patch. Okay? Then you're going to just set that aside for a little bit, and you're going to make this portion, these 2 other sides. So you'll sew this piece, you'll sew the corners to it, then you'll take this piece and sew the corners to it and that corner on. Then that whole piece gets added onto this part. Does that make sense? I hope so. And then you'll just do the same on the opposite corner. Okay? Then when you get to this part, all you have left to add on is this little part here. So take your square, add on the triangles, add on that triangle, and then sew that to what you have already made. And that's it. Nice and easy. Lots of pieces. It'll be fun. So I'm not sure if I made it clear as mud last time about the setting blocks. So in your kit each month, you get enough fabric to make 1 setting block. So, and you can make which one of them you want. It tells you on this paper that you have how many of them you need. So it says over 1 year you'll make 8 of the top style, that's these, and you'll make 4 of the bottom style. So it doesn't matter which month you make which. Just know that you only have enough fabric in your kit each month to make 1. So that's it. That was short and sweet. I hope you're enjoying it. I know we are, and we would love it if you posted your pictures of your blocks up on our Facebook page, our Tiger Lily Show and Tell Facebook page, and everybody will ooh and ah and say how wonderful you are. And yay, isn't that always fun? So thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your month, and we'll see you next month. March. Woo-hoo, you know what that means. It's getting warmer. Love you. Be safe.